Here comes the mud guy. Looks like Big Robbie. I'm gonna put him right in here. Right in here, Robbie. Move that stuff back. Kick that stuff back a little. My shoes are in the way. Big Robbie! And come on, come on, come on, come on. That's good, Big Robbie. We're gonna put all their chutes on you. Let's see how far he can reach with those chutes. Hey guys, Bondo here. So we're pouring out a 36 by 36 apron here. You're probably wondering why it's all spray foamed and everything. This customer here owns a spray foam company, Kyle and Son Spray Foam, and he wanted to do an apron on this building here. But he also wants to have the ability to close this in the future. So he put spray foam down, put radiant heat in it, in the tubing, put the radiant heat tubing in there. So he can actually add on to his barn here and have a 36 by 36 addition on his barn. So that's what we're doing here. We just screeded this off by hand with a 16-foot screed. We set our wet pads with a laser screed, or a laser level I should say, not a laser screed. And you can see Biscuit in the background there, bow float and everything. But stay with us, you'll see how we finished it off. We did it by hand actually. Okay guys, we are going to lay this thing down by hand because we got to leave it a little bit fuzzy. This is this piece of concrete is actually going to be exterior concrete, so it has a low air in it, but he wants the ability to close it in if he wants to later someday, maybe add on to his barn. So we're going to give it a hand troweled finish. And actually, I hate to say it, but it looks like it's going to rain any minute. So we're trying to get this thing laid down by hand before and beat the rain. So that's what we're up to. Got the boys out there, 3 of them, just laying it down. And the homeowner is good with that finish. He just wants something he can broom halfway decent. And he's going to be parking on here and stuff, so
I'll lose every time.
That's what we're doing. Scrubbing her out by hand. I got the good job. I'm doing the edges. And finish. Big Biscuit is rocking the new sliders. Well, they're not new anymore. They were new last year. Cranking it out. He's starting to hustle on them sliders.
He's thirsty, man.
He's thirsty. It's almost beer 30.
That might be it.
I think that's exactly what it is. Biscuit's thirsty, so he's gonna just put the old hammer down. We're going to get some wings tonight. Biscuit's hungry, thirsty. Right, Gopher? We're gonna get this thing done real quick today. That's gonna be a good finish for his little apron here. Little 36 by 36 apron. Apron slash future garage. This gets ripping it. Look at him go. Boy's an animal.
Spray me too much for that stuff, my wife's gonna think I cheated on her.
Does it smell like perfume, does it?
Smells like soap.
Not on video. Can't be falling on video.
I didn't fall. Close.
Good thing is he knows the editor.
We don't want to edit out that joke Chris made. That was pretty good.
I hope so. You got about 2 foot you didn't do it.
Remember the one time he sprayed us with it?
Yeah. My shirt is still stained, pal. Chris, you do good work. It's like not you have to do this. Just told Johnny, I said, days like this, I realized, oh, that's right, I'm almost 56.
Oh yeah, there's the money hit right there, bud.
Oh yeah.
We got her. Nailed it. Nailed it.
Who is?
My fucking nickname should be Tripod.
Where'd you put my marbles on?
Back. I put it back.
What's that?
Here comes that.
Yeah.
Waiting on the corner. Little bit corner here. Can't rush perfect.
Right. That is right.
You gonna eat that free dinner with us tonight, or are you going home?
You going there right now?
Yeah. As soon as we get done, go home, drop the trailer, and good job, Chris. Good job, everybody.